Here is how to block someone on WhatsApp. So let's get started. So to do this, there are two methods. The first method is if you have a chat with that person or if you've received a message from them. So let's say I want to block Domino's Pizza India. I'll just have to click on the chat, then click on the name on top and scroll down. And then click on block business. You can give a reason and then click on block. And now they've been blocked. So for businesses, you'll have to follow this method. But let's say it's a contact. Then for that, just long click on the contact, click on the three dots on the top right, and click on block. Again, you can give a reason, and then click on block. And they've been blocked. So this is one method. And for the second method, just click on your profile picture on the top right, then click on privacy, and here scroll down till you find contacts. Click on this, click on blocked account. So here you can see who all you've blocked. And to add more accounts to block, just click on the add button on the top right. And here you can select whichever contacts you'd want to block. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.